Welcome to Best Choice. The best Wisk detergent is probably one of the most effective stain-fighting laundry detergents on the market. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes Wisk stand out, from its unique enzyme blend to its ability to tackle tough stains. We'll explore its performance on various fabrics and stain types, and see if it lives up to the hype. So, if you're tired of stubborn stains ruining your clothes, stick around to find out if Wisk is the solution you've been searching for. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow 81 Count. Tired of multiple steps for laundry? These Tide Pods offer a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step. It's designed to make your laundry routine easier. Each pod contains super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers. This all-in-one solution tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes smelling fresh. You can trust this product, as it comes from America's #1 detergent brand, Tide. It's a brand known for its cleaning power and reliability. No matter the water conditions, these pods dissolve completely. This ensures that it leaves no residue behind, providing a thorough clean every time. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency washing machine, this product works effectively. It's designed for use in all washing machines, making it a versatile choice for your laundry needs. What we like? This product offers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, thanks to its 3-in-1 formula. It combines detergent, odor fighters, and stain removers, all in a convenient pack. If you're looking for a quick and easy laundry solution that works in any machine, this is a great choice. What people say? They dissolve completely in both hot and cold water and work well in my high-efficiency machine. The 3-in-1 formula tackles tough stains, brightens colors, and leaves everything smelling fantastic. Tide Pod's laundry detergent packs in original scent are seriously convenient and get clothes clean with just one toss. Number 4. Tide Original Scent Liquid Laundry Detergent. This liquid laundry detergent is engineered for superior cleaning. It's 4x cleaner and 2x fresher compared to other detergents. The product tackles 100% of common stains effectively. It also has 10x the grease-fighting ingredients compared to other bargain detergents. The formula is highly concentrated, using less water per drop. This provides more cleaning power than many other liquid detergents. Enjoy the original scent that you love, designed to keep your laundry smelling fresh all day. This detergent provides freshness you can depend on. The original scent helps keep your laundry smelling fresh throughout the day. It's a classic scent that many people enjoy. It's suitable for various washing cycles and water temperatures, including cold washes. You can use it in different machines. The bottle contains 80 fluid ounces, which is designed to deliver up to 64 loads. This provides great value for your money. What we like? This detergent boasts a 6x boosted clean, tackling even the toughest stains with ease. It also offers long-lasting freshness, keeping your clothes smelling great all day. If you like a reliable detergent that delivers both powerful cleaning and lasting freshness, you should consider this. What people say? It cleans well. It makes my clothes very soft, very good sized for its price, and it smells amazing. It's mess-free and it dissolves easily. Keeps my clothes clean. Good quality and works well. This detergent has been a go-to brand for my family for years, and I do like that it leaves clothes smelling fresh and works reliably in my washing machine. The large container is convenient for how much laundry I do, and the pour spout makes it easy to measure without too much mess. Number 3. Poesie Fragrance-Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. These pre-cut sheets offer concentrated cleaning power. One sheet is perfect for small to medium loads, 2 for large, and 4 for extra large. You can adjust it based on how dirty your clothes are. This product is fragrance-free, designed for those with sensitivities. It uses plant extracts for a natural scent, and your laundry will be odorless after washing. The ingredients include coconut oil, surfactants, plant extracts, and essential oils. It's designed to be gentle on sensitive skin while still providing effective cleaning. Forget bulky plastic containers. This product is easy to carry and takes up less space. It's perfect for home, dorms, travel, camping, and hiking. The entire product is made from carbon materials, eliminating plastic waste. It's an eco-friendly choice that reduces your environmental impact. What we like? These laundry sheets provide concentrated cleaning power in a convenient, fragrance-free format. They're also eco-friendly and space-saving. If you are looking for a zero-waste, travel-friendly, and skin-friendly laundry solution, you should consider this. What people say. These laundry sheets works well on average dirt and grime. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid, which would normally spill all over everywhere even if you drop the box which they come in. These sheets are a game changer. They're super lightweight, take up barely any space in my laundry bag, and there's zero mess. Number 2. Persil Intense Fresh Laundry Detergent. Tired of stains? This powerful liquid detergent delivers a premium deep clean with every wash. It effectively removes odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Experience long-lasting freshness with the intense fresh scent. It's designed to provide a pleasant aroma without being overpowering. You'll love how your clothes smell. Worried about fading? This detergent has fabric care ingredients that help prevent colors from fading. It helps keep your clothes looking their best, wash after wash. This detergent protects your fabrics while providing a deep clean. It helps keep your clothes looking newer, longer, compared to other detergents. It's a great choice for all your laundry needs. Get more cleaning power with less product. This 2x concentrated formula means you don't need to use as much to achieve a premium deep clean. It's efficient and effective. What we like. This detergent provides a premium deep clean while removing odors and adding a long-lasting fresh scent. It also includes fabric care ingredients to help protect your clothes. If you want a detergent that keeps your clothes looking newer, longer, this is a great choice. What people say. Wisk Detergent effectively removes tough stains. The detergent is designed to work well in various washing machine types. It helps to keep clothes looking clean and fresh. Number 1. Nonaste Zen Fresh Activewear Laundry Detergent. This detergent uses advanced enzymes to break down sweat and odor-causing bacteria. It provides a deep clean, unlike other detergents that just mask smells. The result is long-lasting freshness for your activewear. Designed for activewear, this detergent protects the stretch, color, and breathability of your clothes. It gently lifts away sweat buildup, leaving a fresh botanical scent. It ensures your gear stays in top condition wash after wash. This detergent is perfect for athletes and active families. It powers through grime in leggings, sports bras, and gym bags. It restores freshness without harshness, making it ideal for your next adventure. This concentrated formula delivers powerful results in every load. Use a small amount for regular loads or more for extra dirty items. Simply pour it into your washing machine and enjoy the fresh scent. This laundry detergent uses plant-based, biodegradable ingredients. It penetrates deep into fibers to lift away sweat and odors. It's gentle on skin and tough on residue, perfect for everyday use or heavy-duty cleaning. What we like. This detergent uses advanced enzyme technology to eliminate trapped sweat and odors, specifically designed for activewear. It protects fabric quality wash after wash, ensuring your gear stays in top condition. If you are an athlete or have an active lifestyle and need a detergent that can handle tough odors, you should consider this. What people say. It does take the smell out and give you freshness, and I love it because it works better than other products. Your leggings emerge lighter, somehow wiser. Your gym shirts. Reborn, no longer haunted by the ghost of CrossFit past. If you have stinky activewear, I could not recommend this more strongly. It has a nice fresh scent, and did not damage the garment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.